Welcome to JH. If you want to present KPIs in a way that doesn't look like a spreadsheet from 1995, you're in the right place. The new card visual in Power BI makes it easier to combine numbers, context, and visuals so your dashboards look professional and drive faster decisions. To build better reports, use the multi-field layout and image capabilities to create clean KPI displays. You can add context with icons and comparisons against the last period, because apparently, looking at a single number just isn't enough for your boss anymore. By using conditional formatting for instant insights and arranging them in grids or rows, you can transform basic numbers into actionable visuals. Focus on clarity by adding relevant labels, icons, or even emojis if your office culture is into that kind of thing. To get started, select the new card visual from the Visualizations pane and drag measures like total sales or profit into the values well. If you want to automate the boring stuff, enable small multiples by dragging a categorical field like region or brand to create multiple cards instantly. In the Format pane, look for the paint roller icon to arrange your cards in a grid, single row, or column while controlling the spacing. You can add some flair with images or icons using the callout card section. Whether you upload images or link to a data column, adding simple icons helps with quick recognition, assuming your stakeholders actually know what a rocket ship means for revenue. Apply conditional formatting rules to change colors, like green for good and red for bad, because we all need a traffic light system to tell us when we're losing money. Always design your cards to answer specific business questions and prioritize clean layouts over a cluttered mess. Use the new default themes for a modern look, or customize them if you really think you're a better designer than the team at Microsoft. Finally, handle those pesky blanks by using a +0 in your measures or specific settings to show a 0 instead of a void. And that's it. Thanks for watching.